garage. It's used for your car, storage, and much more. Having a malfunctioning garage door can not only be frustrating, but also a serious safety hazard. For one San Antonio retired veteran, the ability to upgrade was a blessing.
I've owned the home since 1995. The hinges were about to fall off. The door had bent sections. Primarily, I used my garage door as an entry point into the house. The old garage door would often get stuck, therefore limiting my ability to get into the house to do what I need to do. I had multiple repairs, the hinges, the tear in the metal, and it was becoming a safety issue. It was on its last legs, and it was important to have it replaced.
He's not alone. In 2025, the garage repair market saw strong demand driven by aging doors and smart home tech, with service repair being the largest portion.
Your garage door is probably the single biggest used space in your home. The door's used constantly, goes up and down, and you want to make sure that it's safe for your family. The garage space, there are a lot of issues with not maintaining them. That can be lubricating springs and your rollers. It can be broken spring, misalignment with your pieces. So it's very important to maintain your garage and have maintenance done regularly, because that maintenance ensures that those broken springs and those rollers and those types of things get replaced before they become a bigger issue that cause your entire garage to fall apart. Springs can be dangerous if they're not maintained correctly and repaired by a professional. So you want to make sure that all of those springs are running well and that all of your rollers are updated and the important pieces of that garage door function so that you don't have the screaming or any issues that could cause bigger problems later on down the road.
Whatever the issue, finding the right company is paramount. So when Daryl, a retired U.S. Air Force officer, met with Joseph Joe Cook, a decorated U.S. military veteran, it was a match made in military heaven.
Daryl and I met at our church men's group. We meet on Saturday mornings. During those discussions, we talk about faith, how to grow and serve our great city. We also learned that we're both veterans and that Daryl has a need for garage door services.
Hey, Daryl, how you doing?
Hey, Joe, how are you?
Hey.
Good to see you again.
Yeah, thanks for calling.
Oh, thank you. Well, let me show you the garage door.
Absolutely. Please lead the way, sir.
Yeah.
So, Daryl, how old's your door?
It's about 30 years.
Oh, wow. Can you show me what's wrong or point some things for me?
Well, one of the major problems, I have to keep replacing these hinges. And also, the piece right here, it was put in because I couldn't find a full replacement. Keep the critters from coming in.
We're at ProLift here. We want to lift you up when life gets you down, so we'll get you well taken care of.
I appreciate it.
So the two met, reviewed what was possible, and settled on a new door and opener. ProLift donated the garage door as part of their community veteran outreach.
Here at ProLift Garage Doors of San Antonio, we believe in three key values. They are safety, value, and quality. We want to make sure that we can provide a good quality product at a competitive, fair price. And we value our veterans, we value our diversity.
When I found out that I was getting a new garage door, I just thought what a tremendous blessing it was for me. And I'm just so thankful.
ProLift is a very special company. We are very community focused. We want to make sure that you get a great garage door and repair and replacements there for a price that's affordable. And that really sets us apart, is our driven community focus and also our speed to service and quality products. And like Joe did with Daryl here, we wanted to ensure that we make sure our customers feel completely taken care of in every way, shape, and form.
The install went according to plan. The new door looks great, and Daryl is so happy.
Oh man, it was great, Joe. Thank you. Thank you, thank ProLift, thank your crew.
No problem.
Wonderful.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you.
With ProLift, you get exceptional service and products that won't break the bank.
Visit ProLiftDoors.com to get started, or our website, designingspaces.tv, for more information.